Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and capturing the error context so you can reproduce it. Check environment and runtime version. This prevents chasing false causes. Next, open server logs and copy the last 100 lines to identify the exact exception and stack trace. Once done, cross-check recent deploys, configuration edits, or dependency updates that coincide with the failure. Make sure to save timestamps and commit ID. These facts guide targeted rollbacks or hotfixes without guesswork. You now dive into diagnosis and remediation by isolating the failing endpoint and reproducing it locally with identical environment variables and request payloads. Use interactive debugging or logging with breakpoints to inspect variables and follow the stack frames. This shows you where state diverges. Once identified, update the offending code, adjust config, or pin dependency versions. Then clear caches and run pending migrations so runtime artifacts don't hide the fix. Make sure to run full unit and smoke tests before deployment. You finish by deploying the validated fix to staging and executing integration tests, plus synthetic requests that mirror real traffic. Once green, promote to production with a phased rollout or feature flag. Monitor logs, latency, and error rates closely for 15 to 30 minutes. If anomalies reappear, perform a targeted rollback and capture a diagnostic bundle including logs, heap dumps, and process snapshots. As a troubleshooting tip, if errors persist, compare live and staging envs for subtle config drift, such as environment variable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.